guys! So, I'm here at the airport na and I'm done with immigration. So, I passed the immigration for my first solo travel. Congratulations to me! So, IELTS story tayo. So, sa immigration, nagpila ako for almost 30 to 40 minutes, I guess. But my interview is just around 5 minutes. It's just a quick one. I think hindi na umabot ng 5 minutes. The first thing na ginawa sa akin is binigay ko yung passport and my plane ticket and nagpicture and then yung nag-thumbprint ba yun? Basta thumb scan fingerprint. Yeah, fingerprint. And after that, tinanong ako saan ako nag-work. Then I told where I'm working. And second one, hiningi yung COE. And then tinanong ako if ako lang ba, and I said yes, solo. And after nun yung question is, ano ba? Hiningi din pala yung return ticket ko. And then after nun, just a quick checka. And then after, tinatakan. And then I'm done. And then, yeah. So that's my IELTS story. So, pag nasa immigration ka na, you should be confident. You should be confident. Should have the confidence to answer the questions. And, yun, huwag kang kabahan. Basta, sabihin mo lang yung totoo. Kung ano yung tanong, yun yung isang sagot lang. No other extracurricular answers. So, kung anong tanong, diretso. For example, saan ka nag-work? Sabihin mo yung company. And then, kung ano yung hiningi, yun ang ibibigay. Do not give everything. Oh! Hulog. So, yun. Then, after yung tinatatakan, and then, proceed na. So, yeah. So, see you, Taiwan. I'm coming for you, Taiwan. So, I'm here at Tapaki to have my dinner. So, here's my food.
Would you like to check in for your trolley?
It's okay. Thank you. Thank you. Ready. Going to Taiwan. Also, it's not raining anymore. So, sana hindi mag-ulan sa Taiwan.
Second aisle, sorry, right.
Thank you.
inside your baggage. Before stowing it,
Here?
43H, straight ahead, numbers on top.
please
Okay,
take
thank you.
caution in securing your hand-carried
Oh,
baggage
ano
and when
center?
opening the bins to prevent items from falling off. Instances of smoking or vaping, please report them to the cabin crew immediately. Legal action will be taken against individuals who violate these safety policies. Please be informed. Please report them to the cabin crew immediately. Legal action will be taken against individuals who violate these safety policies. For everyone's safety, the use of power banks during the keep them in your
Yeah.
personal pocket
Center.
or in the seat pocket in front of you. If you notice any signs of overheating, smoke, or fire, immediately notify your cabin crew. Para sa kaligtasan ng lahat, ang paggamit ng power bank ay mahigpit na ipinagbabawal sa kabuuan ng lipad. Mangyaring ilagay ang mga ito sa inyong bulsa o sa seat pocket kung may mapansin na anumang senyales ng pag-init, usok
Bye
o
for
apoy.
now.
Agad na ipagbigay alam sa inyong cabin crew.
So I'm in Taiwan. I'm so excited. It's around what time? It's 1:55. So we just landed at 1:55 here. So excited. So I'm getting my bag.
Thank you. Yes, sir. Enjoy.
Thank you.
Goodbye. Maraming
Thank you. So I'm here in Taiwan.
Papunta Twitter. Oo, sobrang lagay mo lang Twitter, please hard. Pauwi Twitter.
Hello, Taiwan. I'm here. Look. So first thing to do, go to CR. In Welcome to Taiwan. So I'm here now in Taiwan. Like so guys, I'm so excited. But before that, I need to buy my EC card and also hanapin natin kung nasan yung bus. Kasi walang MRT today kasi madaling araw na. So I guess it's 2 a.m. already. So excited, kinda nervous. And I'm excited, I'm here na. So, tara, samahan niyo ako. Hanapin. And of course, dapat makalabas ako ng airport. Hanapin natin. Ang ito. Immigration ba? Nandun. Nautot ako. So, napakatahimik. Diyos ko, unta, naglakat na lang po. And first thing na gusto kong gawin sa Taiwan is kumain. Natatain na ako. Arrival. So, turn left. Of course, turn left. Hello, Taiwan! So, I'm done with the immigration of Taiwan. So, proceed na tayo sa magbili ng Taiwan Pass, Easy Card. And also, hanapin na natin ang bus. Mag-withdraw tayo. And then, bibili ng Easy Card. Hanapin ang bus para makapahinga na tayo. So, yun ang goal niya. So, ayun. Excited! So, here. Baggage claim. So, wala akong baggage na chinek-in. Hand-carry lahat. So, proceed tayo sa... Napasok ko na ba ang passport ko? Ayan, welcome to Taiwan. So, punta muna tayo ng custom. Bye for now. Hey guys. So, I don't know what happened. Pero natagalan ako mag-withdraw. I think thrice ako nagbalik sa ATM. I don't know, hindi binabasa ng Maribank ko. Sabi ko, hello, nagpanik na ako. Hello, paano cash ko? So, ayun. Change ko ang PIN ko. I don't know what happened. So, nakapag-withdraw naman na. So, ang withdraw ko is 3,000 NTD muna. So, that's around... check ko. Nagbawas ba? So, that's around almost 5,000. So, let's see the conversion. So, mga 5,876 ang rate niya here sa New Taiwan dollar. So, yun. So, I'm kinda nervous, but at least natapos din. So, pupunta tayo ngayon sa 7-Eleven to buy the Easy Card. Diyos ko. Inaanto ko kanina, ngayon hindi na. What the fox? Probably here. So, tama sana ako. Hindi ko mali. Hindi hanapin ulit. Diyos ko. Oh, here. Here is the 7-Eleven. Ay, so-
luggage, okay? Luggage,
Okay. Sorry. So, bawal pala luggage. Cute! Cute. I think I'll go for this. Sorry. Chicken. May try natin. Oh my gosh, may language. Yung apple tea. So, try natin ang apple tea. So, got my food. Saan doon yung luggage ko? I didn't know na bawal pala. But, well, bait naman sila. So, pero ang cute na nakuha ko. Look, oh. Cute. Like this. Thank you. So, dito ako. Waiting ng bus.
Grabe yung pang-ano.
So, wala pang bus. 1819. Taipei bus station. So, waiting for the bus. Look. Naku, ghost town walang bus. Waiting pa kami ng bus. Oh no. Hello. So, I'm here na sa bus. So, excited. So, look. Dito na ako sa bus. So, I have na my number here. Number. So, yeah. So, I think around 40 minutes drive going to Taipei main station. So, and after that, I'm gonna have a 5 minutes walk going to my hotel. So, yeah. So, I'm hungry. So, yeah, travel with me. So, look at what I would yeah. So, see you later.